Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. At global level, most Asian indices are trading higher Tuesday after the S&P 500 closed at a record high on the first trading day of 2022. However, treasuries maintained losses. The 10-year bond yield jumped to the levels of 1.62, which is concerning for emerging markets. Dollar index is steady at 96 levels. Crude is around 79 and Indian rupee is around 74.22. Yesterday we saw nearly 500 plus crores of investment in Indian equities from foreign institutions. Domestic institutions are also supporting to the market and they also bought heavily to the tune of 1000 crores. While looking at Indian markets, we are of the view that the way we were expecting market to move towards 17,650, 640 levels in next few days, that actually the market reached on the first day itself. And yesterday we saw the market was very close to the levels of 17,640, 650 levels. As it's a very strong resistance for the market, we need to see that how actually market sustained above the same. In case if we see the market is holding above 17,640, then the next level to watch out for would be 17,800. On the downside, 17,500, 550 would be the support area, and the way the market rallied from the levels of 17,150 to 17,650 levels, we are of the view that in the short term markets are highly overbought or they are highly over retraced, and the strategy should be to look for adding position only on dips or at major supports. Current trend of the market is no doubt indicating us that it is moving upward, but it's a pullback to the recent sell-off, and that's the reason we need to be careful while adding position at higher levels. Yes, we should look for adding positions, but at important support areas. Bank Nifty did well and it closed above the mark of 36,000, which is positive. Other indices also did well, and there also we saw sharp gains, especially private banks which were underperforming in the previous year. They also did much better than the expectation in yesterday's trading session. So there was like very strong buying breath in the market, and based on that we should look for adding position on dips. Again, quarterly numbers, they are also going to support the market, or they are going to increase volatility in the market, and expectations ahead of the union budget will also keep the market volatile. So in this month we are going to see major up and down. That's the overall view, and that's the reason we should look for adding position if there is any correction during the day or during the week. FIs reduced their long positions on the call side as well as on the put side, but they have increased their position on index futures, which means that they are expecting further more upside in the very short term, or they may take profit if market reaches to important areas. For the day, we are going to focus on financials as well as on IT companies because there the momentum is very high. We also like selective metal companies, and in that we like Steel Authority, NMDC as well as NALCO, National Aluminium. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great day to all of you.